Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to use the temp mail. So let's dive in guys. Step 1, click on the temp mail app. Temp mail app can be used to get your temporary emails. You can get up to 10 to 20 emails per day depending on how you want it. Here you can copy your email and change it to whatever you want to. You can click on change to get another email within seconds. If you find this video helpful, click and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye.